Perhaps you clicked on this video because you want to learn about your chances of being selected for the Erasmus Mundus program. If so, you are at the right place. But before that, imagine studying in Paris one semester and in Rome the next. Picture yourself as part of an elite group of global scholars. This isn't just a dream. It is what the Erasmus Mundus program offers. Today, we are unraveling the secrets to becoming part of this prestigious circle. Let's begin. The Erasmus Mundus program isn't just a scholarship. It is a ticket to a life-changing international academic journey. But what does it take to be one of the chosen few? I will tell you in a moment. In 2023, over 32,000 applications were received across all the different programs. Out of this, only about 2,835 students representing 143 countries emerged victorious. That's less than 10%. It's a tight race, isn't it? Well, the right strategy can place you at the finish line. Let's discover how. Here's the thing. Beyond academics, your story is key. Erasmus Mundus programs look for passion, vision, and how this journey can transform your future. Concerned about your grades? Remember, Erasmus Mundus programs have embraced diversity in academic backgrounds. GPAs between 2.5 and 3 have made the cut. So, don't make a big deal out of it, no matter your GPA. Don't belittle yourself. You have a chance. Now, let's discuss the ultimate strategy. A well-crafted statement of purpose and clear goals, as I've always emphasized in many of my videos, can elevate your application from good to unforgettable. Remember, your application is your story. Seize the opportunity. A compelling statement of purpose and clear, well-defined goals can significantly enhance your profile. Take my word for it. In conclusion, while the competition is stiff, your unique story, academic excellence, and clear motivation are what make you stand out. Start preparing early and give it your best shot. And if you have already applied, keep your fingers crossed and hope for the best. I will soon be back congratulating you. I know this video was very brief, but I just wanted to use this opportunity to reassure all of you that you have a chance. Look, we all face imposter syndrome sometimes. No matter our profile, we feel like we are never good for something, and it happens to all of us almost all the time. But take my word for it, you never know until you give it a try. So go ahead and apply. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's meet in my next video.